Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're sharing a little flower pot we created using resin and chameleon powders. To get the best effect out of chameleon powders, we always recommend brushing the powder onto the mold surface. Chameleon powders can be used the same way as mica powders, however they will produce a more plain color. When you brush the powder into the mold, you will achieve various colors that create that chameleon effect. Once the powder is completely covering the mold surface, we mix up some resin. For this mold, we used our U RESIN Cast system and a small amount of black onyx epoxy paste from our range. We slowly poured the resin into the mold to avoid any bubbles or air pockets, since we aren't able to use any heat within the mold. Once the resin was poured, we left it to cure. Our uresin cast system has excellent bubble dispersion, so we didn't add any heat to the surface layer and allowed the resin just to do its thing and cure overnight. The next day we were ready to demold it. Since this was the first time using the mold, it was a little hard to get out. So we move around the mold to create air pockets before stretching the mold over itself to release the pot. The longer you leave the resin to cure, the better it will grab onto the chameleon pigment and allow for a clean demold and a perfect finished pot. As always, we'll list all of the products used in the description box below, which are all available on our website at www.uresin.com.au. We have Zip and Afterpay available with affordable shipping Australia-wide. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment below, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more weekly videos. We'll see you in the next one.